Guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for not posting at midnight. Was a little busy, but I'm still gonna give you guys a video on Sunday. No update with the car. Actually, if anything, my other car, my daily driver, just cost me a ton of money to get it running the way I want it. Now that I moved and I have a house now, it's kind of a longer commute for work. So I just spent a lot of money there, so it's gonna push off the Camaro a little bit more, unfortunately. But that gives me plenty of time to do giveaways. So you see the title, today is going to be a giveaway. What I'm going to be giving away, if you guys remember, on my old headlight setup before I had these Heroes, the factory headlights, I took out the halogen light bulb, and I put in a LED conversion kit from Beamtech. These guys, I'm actually going to put this package in the description just in case you guys do want it. I will also link the video from my old video at the end of this video, so it'll be one of the cards, and I'll try and link it right here, so that way you can see how to put them. These are H13 lights, and it's 100% plug and play. You untwist the other ones and you twist these in. So I don't use the other headlights, trying to actually get rid of them, but I figure I can give these away because I think this conversion kit was like 50 bucks. So you'll have LED lights at least, so it'll give you like that blue light, not blue, but like white clear light. It's much brighter, much better. One of my favorite cheap mods when I had the old headlight set up. So for anyone who's looking to get rid of your halogen bulbs, this is a good way to go, and they're free. Again, I will pay for shipping and everything like that. They are used, so don't expect something perfect. These are what they look like. Okay, so you literally just plug this in, and then you connect this cord to where you would plug into the old light bulb. They have gaskets that come with them. The only thing with this is if you see here, there's a little screw on that one. This one never came with a screw. It does have the hole, so if you want to go to Ace Hardware and find the screw to put in there, that's fine. Otherwise, the light's actually just going to be able to freely rotate. So you're going to have to put in this part. Here, I'll take it out and show you. So you're just going to have to put in this part separate. You see how that light comes off? So when you put it on, twist it, but I have the video on how to put these in and how they should be faced. You're just gonna have to play with it because this can do a full 360 where the other one can't. So really, you can't really use this to lock the light bulb in place. You kind of have to stick your fingers around and lock this part in place, and then you can twist this whichever way. But that's how I had it, and once you get it in there and you have this face the direction it needs to face, it will not move. So again, they are free, so that's up to you guys if you want them or not. Definitely a good little cheap mod. So again, no update with the Camaro. So since I have time, I guess I figured may as well start doing some of these giveaways, trying to get rid of some of the stuff, clear some space in my garage. So if you want them, as usual, you have to be subscribed, give me a thumbs up on the video, and put in the comments that you want them, and it's that simple. I mean, it's not hard. Spread the word. Most of you probably won't spread the word because you want them for yourselves and you don't want any more competition. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for the support, as usual. And sorry for my 6-minute introduction videos. One guy commented, which I removed, and he said, he pretty much told me to shut up, that nobody wanted to hear me talk, that I'm not famous, that he came here just to type in a video and he doesn't need to hear me talk because he knows what he's looking for. And so he pretty much literally said, shut up. He's like, you need to stop talking so much, bro. And he said, I don't mean any disrespect, which is ironic because that was disrespectful. Who knows? Anyways, what's going on in today's world? So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want these, like, subscribe, comment that you want them. I will put it in the drawing. I will draw a winner next Sunday and possibly have another giveaway next Sunday until my Camaro is fixed or not fixed. We don't know yet. Again, link will be where I linked it earlier in the video, in the description, or at the end of the video. I will link the video that I made with these bulbs so you can see how they look, how they go in. It's super easy, and that's it. This is gonna be a short video. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you guys for continuing to support me, and thank you for the future support. And if it's your first time here, my name's Corey, aka Mr. Manage. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys for the next video. As usual, just gotta live in life. See you later. Bye.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.